for Yashche Conservation Trust, the co-manager of Bladen Nature Reserve with the Forest Department. Bladen Nature Reserve is the most strictly protected area in Belize and is often referred to as the crown jewel of Belize protected area system. Only research and education are permitted within the reserve. Tourism is not allowed. The reason for this is to help preserve the extreme high level of biodiversity that can be found inside. As one of the wettest places in the whole region, Bladen is shaped by the creeks and the rivers that runs through its deep valleys. In many places, the river sinks underground into limestone caves and passages, and at other times flows out of the caves in waterfalls. In the wet season between June and November, the river can rise by up to 6 meters and become a rushing torrent. In dry season, long sections of the rivers dry up entirely. The diversity of plants is among the highest in the whole region. This is because the rock that lies underneath is some of the oldest in Central America. Over 325 bird species have been recorded in Bladen, including the scarlet macaw, harpy eagle, and keel-billed motmot. It is also home to 93 mammal species, including the jaguar, puma, tapir, a large herd of up to 200 white-lipped peccary, which can only survive in the large intact forest. "79 amphibians and reptile species such as the marlet crocodile, the rare eyelash pit viper, and the endemic Maya mountain frog add to this amazing biodiversity." The Bladen River watershed was once populated by up to 50,000 people in the time of my ancestor, the ancient Maya, almost 1500 years ago. Today, all the remains of that civilization are countless ruins and caves, which have been extensively researched by archaeologists, but the Mayan culture is still strong. The modern Maya that live in the villages surrounding the Bladen Nature Reserve still rely on the service provided by this intact forest ecosystem. The forested slopes help to regulate the flow of water, reducing the effect of destructive floods and helping maintain a clean drinking water supply for communities living downstream. The wildlife protected inside moves outside of the reserve, supporting game species population on community land. Yashche has been co-managing Bladen since 2008 and has conducted thousands of miles of patrols, collected 4 years of biodiversity data, and hosted many researchers during this time. Yashche realizes that areas like Bladen Nature Reserve cannot be protected without the support of the surrounding communities. We have been working with communities on environmental education and awareness and promoting sustainable and alternative livelihoods over the past 10 years in southern Belize. Bladen Nature Reserve is the most beautiful and viable protected area in Belize. Yashche intends to ensure that Belizeans today and into the future benefit